Hello, I'm Zakir Rashid, and welcome to this week's Matters of Opinion. There's a group of people in this country that are trying to confuse, mislead, and frankly frighten the American people into believing that the new health care bill needs to be repealed. The real story for me is that I haven't heard or seen any alternative plan from these people that will actually be better for America. It seems to me that the game plan is to attack the current plan by using sound bites and catchphrases, but provide no details of their own comprehensive plan that will address the health care needs of this country. We all heard the rhetoric during the campaign cycle: Obamacare, job killing, and other scare tactics. There are some people that are still afraid that there are death panels or that Medicare is going to go away. I've heard everything but what their plan is. Why don't they spend their time explaining to us exactly what their plan is, how it works, and how it will be paid for? The sad fact is that they don't have a plan, and they don't have to have one because there's a large group of people in our country that have what I call the Pied Piper syndrome, and they will follow the band regardless of what song they play. The fact is that the majority of Americans will benefit from the current plan that the president has in place. In the case of current health care law, a number of provisions kicking in this year are: 1, if adults lack coverage, they can stay on their parents' plan until they turn 26 years old. 2, as many as 4 million small businesses are eligible for tax credits up to 35% of their health insurance cost. 3, consumers can now obtain preventive health care tests such as mammograms, colon exams without having to pay a share of the cost. 4, there is now high-risk coverage for people with pre-existing conditions or people who have been uninsured at least 6 months. They can now get coverage through a state or federal high-risk pool. 5, Medicare will offer free annual wellness exams for seniors, and it seems to me that we all would be better served if the Pied Pipers would start playing a song that would give the facts and help educate the American public on the benefits of the current bill. Now, I'm not saying that there are not some things that we need to work on to improve the current bill and make it better, but in my opinion, what we have now is far better than what I'm hearing from them, which they are offering, which is nothing, or to go back to what we had before. Well, that's my opinion. What's yours? Email me at zrashid@villagetv.org, or you can view this segment again on YouTube if you place Z.A. Rashid in the search box. I'm Zakir Rashid with Matters of Opinion.